Imagine this. You wake up and your most valuable digital asset, it's been hijacked, just gone. So, let's talk about Domainize. It's a tool built to make sure that never, ever happens.
Because let's be real, your domain isn't just an address. It's your brand. It's your entire digital identity.
See, when a domain expires, it goes through this whole complicated process before it's actually available again.
And that tiny window when it becomes available, we're talking seconds. Blink and you've missed it.
And that's exactly where Domainize comes in, especially for you indie hackers and small startups out there.
Think of it like an automated watchdog. It's constantly checking to see if a domain is up for grabs.
It all breaks down into three key parts: the hunt, the shield, and the guardian.
First, let's talk about the hunt. This is all about snagging that perfect domain you've been wanting.
It's simple. You just add domains to a watch list, and you get an alert the second it drops.
Okay, next up is the shield. This isn't about getting new domains, but protecting the ones you have.
The portfolio feature is your single dashboard for tracking all domain and SSL certificate expirations.
You can set custom reminders so you never accidentally lose a domain or pay those crazy late fees.
And finally, there's the Guardian. This is your active defense against some really nasty threats.
Basically, it's an early warning system for things like DNS hijacking or even just a major mistake.
So you'll know the difference between a normal change you made and a huge security red flag.
The system is always running checks. If it detects a critical change, you get an alert instantly. And you get notified right where you work, whether that's email, Slack, or Discord, using webhooks.
But here's the real game changer for indie hackers, the bring your own API key model.
This whole approach is about giving you, the user, total control over your data and your costs.
So you get full cost control, your data stays yours, and you can scale without hitting expensive tiers.
So it's really about taking security off your plate so you can just focus on building cool stuff.
Which really just leaves one big question. Are your most valuable digital assets truly secure?